Hi guys, welcome Andrew, welcome back to the channel. You guys, I glued on a wig, a Luvmehair wig. I used this little glue. So technically it's still glueless, you know what I mean? I love it. I just kind of flipped it out because I wanted to give something different. Normally I don't glue down wigs. Normally I don't straighten them. So this year I've been kind of going outside my element, so I won't be lazy. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get straight to this video. Hey guys, welcome Andrew, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with the Love Me wig. You guys, this wig it's giving. I'm ready for spring, I'm ready for summer. I think I'm going to attempt to glue it down with this little spray. I don't know how it's gonna work. I haven't glued down a wig in a minute, but like, let's face our fears together. Let's get it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
We're gonna start off by putting this on our head real quick. Oh, this is what the inside looks like, okay? I bleached the knots, that's why it's a little wet. Y'all, it's been a long time since I've done this. Let's just get it, because if I sit here and contemplate, I'm not gonna do it. And I'm gonna have to put it like on my face, Ooh. Boom, right there. Yo, I ain't done this in so long. I gotta pull this all the way on my forehead. And I want to make sure it aligns like my head. That's on. When I tell you guys it's been a minute since I've done this. Ooh, okay. Okay, I don't feel like it's tight enough, so I'm gonna just go in with the warmer band. But let me just show you guys real quick parts, because it is a frontal, so you got parting all the way. Like, it's deep parts everywhere. Okay, so I just put it in a ponytail, and we're gonna cut this lace off camera. We'll be right back. Now we gotta like spot correct, and we gotta do it really fast. We're not spraying the whole hairline. Okay, so now we gotta figure out a hairstyle. I thought I wanted to wear it like backwards like this. It came in a part to the side. I want to add a little powder. Don't know if I'm gonna regret it, but I'm gonna add some. You can always count on me to cut the hair. Yes. Perfect. Oh, it's looking so good. I kind of like it. I think it's serving a cute little look. So this is what the hair turned out looking like. I absolutely really enjoy the color. It brings me back to like my 2016 days when I had my little wig on. This is super cute. I just flipped it out. You guys saw I cut it so it's more of a blunt cut. I absolutely love it. When it first came to me, it did come in a part to the side, but it's a frontal wig, so you can do whatever you want. I love it. The color is super cute. Definitely something out of my element, but definitely makes me feel high fashion-y, and those are my vibes. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did bleach the knots for anybody wondering, and I just think it looks really good. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.